everyone, welcome back to my channel, Arihan's World. Please like and subscribe down below if you enjoy my videos. Today I'm going to be breaking this LEGO Mech and rebuilding it. So let's get started. The first thing is we have to break it, which is sad. Now I did the body. It is sad that I'm breaking it. You can just skip ahead of the video to watch me make it. I know it's hard doing this, but I am just doing it because of no time. What if I try this side? I got a crowbar here to help me instead of a big separator. Now I can remove the infinity goblet. And now to take out all the stones. I'm pretty sure the stones are the most smallest LEGO piece ever. Now this should be easy. This should be easy. The pieces keep getting hard. Now to remove the legs, and let's do the leg attachment. There. Now let's do the foot. Easy. 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 Easy peasy. Very easy. There we go. Now the last step is the legs. I'm going to start off with this leg. Now that we got that out, it should be easy. There. Now we can start our build. In every single LEGO set, they always start off with the body, which I'm going to start off first. So this is the body that we have, and I'm going to keep where the piece is. This piece here, and the other one here. Now with the backpack. I don't know if this actually is a backpack, but it's something to make it cooler. Now I'm gonna use the body to shield, and I'm gonna keep the Batman logo. There are lots of different logos you can keep, but I'm keeping the Batman one because it looks cool. I'm gonna attach the head at the very end so it looks epic. Now I gotta do the piece like where it connects the leg, that thing. So we have this is there, and then this. Wow, golden! And there was this piece at the bottom of it. Man, that's cute. What did we even get? Oh, there we go. Try not to break it and rebuild it at home. You can make pieces break. There. Now we can start with the first leg. We have this piece. Which leg is this meant to be? Which leg is this meant to be? Oh yeah. So let's start off by keeping the gray piece here. And we can keep this red piece here, this here. This. And now for the other leg, we have to do the same thing with the same colored piece. Easy. And we're gonna leave that to the side and make the foot. Make it, we need foot with holes so it actually connects. I'm gonna start off by keeping these black pieces, and now I'm gonna keep the piece in the bottom. I'm gonna keep these two side pieces. Is that what they're called? And in the bottom at the front, I'm gonna keep these two little toes. Now we're gonna put one of this in the back, and we gotta connect, push down the little thing to connect it. Now we can add it to our first foot. There, boing, boing. The foot is hopping. Ha, boing. Aw. It's too weak, it needs another foot. Another two in the way. Now we gotta do the same thing. I'm keeping like a little pattern here to make them both the exact same and to make it cooler. Another connecting thing. Bam, bada boom, bam, bim, bop. Boom, 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 bam. There we go. Now I'm attaching the legs. There. Boink, boink, boink. Wow. Why is the body getting so low? Yeah, now it's higher. There. Look, you can stand now. Boing, da-doing. What? Exploded. Get that. I'm gonna leave that to the side and start to make the arm. I'm gonna start off with the arm, which has the blaster on it. So in order to make it, I'll need to do something like this. We just put these on the top, and now we keep this in the middle, and we add this on the top, and boom. We have our first arm. Now to make the other one, look, it's a bit hard, so it's like this, I'm getting mixed up a bit. Wait, this goes here. Which piece goes where? That's the only thing I'm mixed up with. Can I stop thinking of this? Where does this go? Wait, what? I have another one. Ah, now I remember. It's finally I did. Now we can add this here. And we can add this top here. Boom. Be sure it was like this. Now we can put it. And I'm gonna keep the arm there. Now for the other arm. Other arm is a lot easier. We have to put this gray piece in the middle and attach these two other pieces to the sides. And wait. Oh, no. And we're meant to keep these three pieces here. Let's treat it. And now for the other one. Right there. I'll move my beam in. Wait. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. There, I need this piece. There we go. Yeah. That's how it's done. Where's my piece? Where is the piece? Are we hiding anywhere? Oh, I already kept it here. I'm so dumb. And now we have the infinity goblets. Now we have to attach these little tiny annoying stones onto it. I actually kind of don't remember where they go. Oh, never mind, I do remember. The blue one goes here, orange here, and red in the red one is the most cheekiest one because it went all the way over here when we can't see it even on the floor. That's why red is the cheekiest, even though it's my favorite color out of the rainbow colors. Now it should look like this. Now to attach it. Wow! 3, 2, 1. Woo! 3, 2, 1. Wow! Our mech is complete, but there's one more thing to do. To add the face. You guys don't have to add a face, but I'm adding it because it looks really cool if I add it. This is what it looks like before adding it. This is what the mech looks like. It's time to add it on. To reveal the final result. Dun! No! Whoops. This is what I will be making today. Mech. It looked really cool, right? Boom, 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 pew. Wow. Ha. Boom. Bam, boom, boom, boom. Guys, you have to subscribe so you don't get attacked by this. That's the end. Boom. When I'm playing with my Lego, I like to make this the top. And if you want, you don't have to have a blue cover. I have 2 more different ones, plus 1 more which I called the Omega form. It looked really cool, the Omega form. I hope you enjoyed my video of breaking and building this LEGO Mech. It looked really cool. I'm gonna play with it every day. Please like and subscribe down below, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. Bye!